Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to take screenshots and record screen on your Anbernic RG556 console. To take a screenshot on your console, you have to press the power button and the volume down button simultaneously. The screenshot will be taken immediately. You can watch the preview by tapping on the screenshot in the popping up notification. You can enhance the screenshot using AI features by tapping this button. You can make it warmer or cooler. You can basically adjust and edit it however you want, and then tap save copy to save it as a copied file, and you can find it either in the gallery or in files. Let's go to the gallery. Let's go to the library, and here is the screenshots folder. Here we have all the screenshots that we took. Now, if you want to record your screen, swipe down the control center, then swipe to the second page and tap on the screen recording. Let the screen recording record audio and show touch on the screen, and tap start. And here is the right now the recording is started. Here you can see the indicator that indicates that the recording has started. Now everything that happens on the screen will be shown on the recording itself. And if you want to stop the recording, swipe down the control center and tap stop. Now we can view the video using, for example, default files app. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.